Bonjour tout le monde. I'm here at the Rodin Museum in Meudon. It's outside of Paris, but the drive is only 20 minutes. So this is the first time that I visited this museum. But I've been to Rodin Museum in Paris at Rue de la Varenne, but this one I haven't been to. And I'm so excited to see this. Well, so sino ba si Auguste Rodin? So if you heard about the sculpture of the thinker and the gates of hell, the kiss, the sculpture of the kiss, not the painting, because Gustave Klimt is the one who painted the kiss. So Rodin is one of the most celebrated French artists, but he was rejected by the École des Beaux-Arts. It's a prestigious art school where the likes of Renoir, Degas, Matisse, sino pa ba? Si Delacroix, Pissarro, and Monet graduated. That's the house of Rodin. So most of those who studied at the Beaux-Arts came from privileged family, and Rodin's family came from a working class, diba? So parang may discrimination. So what can you see here at the museum? So his workshop is here. Aside from having one in Paris, they say most of his creative works were made here in Meudon. So most of the plasters, like his famous Gates of Hell, Studies of Balzac, and Monuments of Victor Hugo, are here. So he made plasters before casting it in iron and bronze, and he carved it in marble. So I'm so excited because there's a free atelier de dessin or drawing workshop, which I signed up for. As you all know, I paint, but I only learned through reading books and watching YouTube videos. So I signed up for the drawing workshop. It's free, and the entrance at this museum is also free. So I'll tour you around. So those are the original Rodin chapeau hats. So everything here is what Rodin used. This bed, this chair, tout. Atelier des Antiques. Oh wow. This is the tone of Rodin. This is the plaster of Rodin's first famous work, The Age of Bronze. You know, he was accused of directly molding it from a person because some artists can't believe the details. So this is what I'm drawing. Okay, as you can see, those are the other people who also signed up. You're given a paper and a pencil. That's my drawing. You know, it's my first time to draw. from a sculpture. I haven't done this before. I used to draw using pictures lang. It's quite interesting. The lady came to me. I kind of understood what she was trying to say. I mean, my French is so bad. Well, first of all, I chose the wrong pencil. She said this is for the shadows. So, and she also told me that I should be drawing light at first. Ang bigat kasi ng kamay ko. So I changed pencils. So far, so good. Ayan siya. Tamal. I just started. Okay. So, pina-check ko na kay teacher ang drawing ko. Ito. Ayun yung, I was trying to draw this one. Sabi ni teacher, c'est bien. It's good. I asked her, like, how do you capture the agony? But she said, in French, na naintindihan ko, this one is good. And she gave me another paper and told me to draw one more time. Then she'll check it again. But she said, I don't know if she's just trying to be nice, no? She said it's good. My drawing is lively. And it captures the agony of the statue of Rodin. So I'm done with the drawing workshop. It was a great experience. I learned a lot from my teacher. She had some interesting pointers, you know. Anyway, I'm just walking around the property. This is a 3-hectare property and there's a huge garden. Ang dami ng tao ngayon. You see, families are here. I'm like in the forest. Ooh. Okay. So I really enjoyed my time here at the Rodin Museum here in Meudon. Kaso nauuhaw na ako. At the museum in Paris, there's a restaurant where you can buy. Dito, I didn't expect na wala. Tom Jones na rin me. So, dapat pala nagdala ako ng baon. Yeah. So. Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed the tour with me. I will be visiting other museums in Paris and outside of Paris too. Maybe in Italy. Who knows? Okay. Thank you for joining me. This is Gretchen M in Paris.